DJ, can you tell me? Studio daw. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, hey, sound check. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, 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 sound check. How's that? Hey, sound check. 1, 2. Magpipeak na yung ano ko dito. Yan. Hey, hey, sound check. 1, 2. Hello, hello, sound check. 1, 2. Loud and clear na po. Yeah, I already adjusted it. Nagdagdag na ako. ODB. It's already at 62. Nagdungag ko. How is that? And then, how about the music? How about music? Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, what are we singing? So, gamit ako na hair color. What is it? Good Dye Young. But make sure that you mix it with conditioner because kining akong last nagibuhat, the last time I had to do it myself. I forgot to mix the dye with conditioner, so my hair is now like very dry. So make sure to mix it with conditioner para hindi masyadong dry yung buhok niyo afterwards. So Good Dye Young, it's available in mga beauty bar, I think, and it's also available online, feeling ko. And the color is Sky High, I think, or Narwhal, yung pangalan ng kulay. But you just have to make sure that your hair is really bleached para mas litaw na litaw yung kulay. So the lighter your hair is, the more vibrant the color is gonna be. Yun. But I suggest that you allow a professional to bleach your hair. Kasi ito, ano lang naman parang retouch na lang pag naglalighten yung hair. Yun yung kaya kong gawin on my own. But yung like ito, there's a little bit of regrowth already. So please go to a professional. Because, although tumutubo naman yung hair, but, just save yourself from from your future problem na baka pasunog pa yung anit mo. This is another first. Ooh. Ceilings plaster. Can't you just make him move faster? Lovely to be sitting here with you. You're kinda cute, but it's raining harder. My shoes are now full of water. Lovely to be rained on with you. so short. Then you're driving me home, and I don't wanna leave. I have to go. You kiss me in the car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before. Bad sheets, no coat, touch me like nobody else does. Lovely to just lay here with you. You're kinda cute, and I would say all of this, but I don't wanna ruin the moment. Lovely to sit between comfort and chaos, but it's over, and you're driving me home, and it kinda comes out as I get up to go. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before, but it's not real, and you don't exist, and I can't recall the last time I was kissed. It hits me in the car, and it feels like the end of a movie I've seen before. Ang galing niya, Lizzie McAlpine. You're kind of cute, and I would say all of this, and I don't wanna ruin the moment. Lovely to sit between comfort and chaos, but it's over. Sitting in traffic. Oh my gosh. So I have never talked about it, but ano, sa, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I had the opportunity, the honor to jam on stage with Rule. So si Rule is, I think, ano ba siya? Parang isa sa mga like up and coming artists from Australia, I think. Tapos sobrang galing niyang tumugtog. He is also an amazing songwriter, and he's super tall. Or I'm just very, very short. Pero yun, so he did a concert in the Philippines. Sa tour niya pala kasi talaga, he'd invite an artist from wherever he's gonna go. Tapos gagawin nila yung isa sa mga songs niya. So do it. And then I think it was Sony who got in touch with us and asked if I could go, and syempre game ako. Sobrang game ako. And then I think I had like 2 days para kabisaduhin lahat. Tapos yun, akala ko may prompter, tapos wala pa ng prompter, tapos natatakot ako na baka, whenever I try to learn songs, I always make sure na kahit paano memorized ko siya. Kasi if you're trying to read from something, it means that you're thinking when you're singing. And ayoko nang ganun. Ayoko nag-iisip pag kumakanta. So I tried memorizing it, and I did. Pero syempre, pag nandun na yung nerves, nandun na yung lahat ng bagay, yung variables that are out of your control when you're performing, makakalimutan mo talaga. So, naglagay sila ng parang music stand with an iPad, nandun yung lyrics ng song. And then, when I did the verses, parang feeling ko, okay. okay, gumana yung pag-memorize ko ng mga kanta. Kabisado ko siya. Nakalimutan ko na may bridge pa pala yung kanta. So, we did the bridge. Although, pag pinanood yung video, akala daw nila nagpapasing along lang ako. But the truth is, I really forgot the lyrics. And thanks to the fans ni Rule, na kinakanta nila yung mga lines na nakalimutan ko, bumalik sa akin yung lyrics ng kanta. And then, yun na. Tinuloy ko yung kanta. But, yun. The reason why Rule chose that song is because it's actually inspired by, I think, one of his trips to the Philippines. He was stuck in traffic. That's why he's sitting in traffic. He was stuck in traffic. Di ba, no? Tapos yun. He wrote it. Tapos yung ano pa. Pati yung visuals ata, parang it was a plane flying over the Philippines. Parang ganun, pag nanood kayo ng concert niya. So it's super special. Kaya yan yung ginawa namin dito. And he was very nice. He's very nice. Paulit-ulit siyang nagtatanong. Parang mga 5 times ata naming ni-run yung song. Is, di ba, imagine mo, dapat magre-rest na lang siya. But he was so nice. He was so courteous. Tapos parang he just wanted to make me feel comfortable na kabisado ko na yung mga kailangan namin gawin. Kasi syempre, it was the first time we met and we're already doing one of his biggest songs. So, let's see. Oh, walang magandang ano. Okay. Oh my gosh, merong okay, pero wala namang lyrics. Okay, this is not. Sitting in traffic, said we'd never let bad things happen to us. So don't ever hate me when we're not in love. I'll take the. And I think this is I think ito din nata yung first time ko nag-perform na I actually cursed. Kasi it's part of the lyrics. So I said it. Kasi iniisip ko, pagpapalitan ko siya, mawawala yung, most of the time, if there's a curse word somewhere in the lyrics, pag pinalitan ko siya to like something more child-friendly, mababago ba yung intensity, mababago ba yung pakiramdam, hindi. So, okay. Pero ito, I tried like all the words na pwede kong ipalit, but syempre nandun si Rule. I'm pretty sure there was an intention behind why he chose that word to be where it really was. So, I did it. It's easy to want me while we are falling. All of the scariest parts are blocked out. Lost in a mansion, up in the canyon. Light from the sunset is blinding our doubts. Remember the way that you feel when it's only us. It felt like forever, but now we're just material. Dino original, it's because you got to the live late po. I actually did sing an original. Walang magandang material. Sorry guys. Sa mga nag-request ng ere, pasensya, hindi ko po siya kabisado. Like, the only line I know from that song is yung ano pa, yung yung line lang sa TikTok, I have not had the chance to really sit down and learn it. So, pasensya na po. Next time. Punta po kayo sa Bacolod for Mascara. Yes! I am gonna be there. So, bring your friends and your family. I'm gonna be there with my band. Kita-kita po tayo doon. Last year, Sam. Hi, Kuya Jed! Ayan na, hindi na tayo makakanta. Andiyan na si Jurado Jed. Baka mag-gong tayo. Baka mag-comment si Kuya Jed. Ay, off-key ka naman dun. Wag mo na best part. O, syempre, gusto nyo ba? Best part na ako. Tapos na tayo. Although, patapos na din naman talaga tayo. Sige, what's like our second to the last song? What was the title of what? Which song? Sitting in Traffic? By Rule? Yung spelling ng Rule ni Rule, Ruel. R-U-E-L. Ruel. Ganun. Pero it's pronounced as Rule. Ganun. So kung mga tito kayong Ruel ang pangalan, Tito Rule na siya ngayon. Dapat ganun. Tito Rule. Ganun. Rule. Sitting in traffic. Yung kinanta ko ng buo. It's, Ceilings. Tama ba? Ceilings. Lizzie McAlpine. Lovely to be right on with you. You're kind of cute and I would say all the things, and I don't wanna ruin the moment. Lovely to sit between comfort and chaos. But it's over and you're driving me home. And it kinda comes out as you get up to go and kiss me in the car. It feels like the start of a movie I've seen before. Golden Hour. Nice. Yun lang. We have like a lower key to that, or should I submit a lower key version? Let's try a lower na muna. Thank you. Sino ba suggest nun? Sobrang baba naman. Original key na lang. Let's just do it in original key. This is Golden Hour by Jake. Jake ba? It was just for lovers, sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Picking orange skies, feeling super childish, stepped on a Glover. Missed call from my mother, like where you are tonight, got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. You slow down time in your golden hour. We were just two lovers, feet up on the dash, driving normal fast, burning through the summer. Radio on blast, make the moment last. She got solar power. Minutes feel like hours. She knows she was the baddest. Can you even imagine? Falling like I did for the love of my life. She's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light, I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, a radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to get that little shine. It's your golden eye. You slow down time in your golden eye. Ay, putol ba yun? Putol. O, ganun lang ba siya talaga ka-exit? Ganun ba yun ka-exit? Si Kuya Daryl nandiyan. Ayan na, parang mag-usap-usap na lang tayo. Huwag na lang tayong kumunta, guys. Si Kuya Daryl. Si Kuya Jed. Sabi ni Kuya Ash, maiksi lang daw talaga. Kill Bill. Ding, 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 ding. Alala ko pa ba to? Binanda ko na to eh, diba? Is this the key? Okay. Still a fan, even though I was salty. Hate to see you with some other, but now you're happy. Hate to see you happy. This is the man I don't want, and I just want to. If I can't have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How did I get here? I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This text can be evidence. This text is evidence. I try to rush on you with the births will come. What? Alito. Ayokong padaanan nyo na mali. Okay. Wait. I'd rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This text can be evidence. This text is evidence. I try to rush in with you, no motives, no cramps of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in amazement, playing on my patience. Now you're laying face down, I'm singing over a beat. I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me this is the man I don't want, and I just want you. If I can't have you, no one will. Oh, I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How